technology. Today we discuss about in report events. In event there are different types in report. One is declaration event, another one is implementation event. In declaration event, multiple types is there, like initialization, at selection screen output, at selection screen on radio button, at selection screen on value request, at selection screen on help request, top of page, end of page, at selection, start of selection, in at line selection. So in declaration block, so many events is there, but how to declare based on priority, like which event is first priority and then which one is secondary or third, fourth. So based on priority, for example, which event is trigger in first in execution program. When I execute the program, which event is first to trigger, we don't know, right? So based on situation, few events are working very proper, but I need multiple events to work in this particular report, like initialization, at selection screen output, or at selection screen on radio button, or at selection screen on value. So based on client requirement, we want to create some declaration events. So now today we discuss about, in this report I have declared some events. Based on that, it will be work some sequence. Okay, the first sequence, see here I showing three input. One is multiple input, I mean select option. The select option already filled the value. I'm not entering any value. System automatically enter the values. So how, which event is working? We show some example. First I already create a program. I want to set the T code. For example, you know very well, already I post how to T code the sets in some programs. So now is at KVB, when I click the create and give the description for bank statement, and I want to select the second radio button of report transaction and enter. I declare my program name and select my GUI support for Java and Windows and HTML. When I save in particular package, but I stored in local object for testing purpose. So if you host in package, right? Now I enter my T code. When I enter, one first event is trigger now. See which event? Please check it. The values are automatically filled. I am not enter any data in this screen. So when I execute my T code, within few seconds system will be triggered one event. Which event is triggered? Can you comments in the box, or please remember which event is first to trigger? When I enter the T code, the first event is triggered, that is initialization. See, again I execute my T code, ZKVBD. When I execute, at the time at selection event or at selection screen event, when so many event is there, so people are confused, but the reality is first is initialization event is triggered. So here the event values I declared in the syntax. Okay, next event I click the PDF, automatically one get the pop-up information. You know very well, the PDF is selected and that message type I declared in 5 message type here, right? You know well. One is information, one is success, second one is error, third one is warning, fourth one is about, fifth one is information. So 5 types of message. Here I using the first type of information. Which event? That is the important. See, when I tick and enter, I got some event. That event is nothing as our at selection screen event. So the second event is I declared at selection screen. Why? Because of to validate the input. Whatever it is, when you select the input or validate the input, that is initial, not initial. Okay, you know very well. Already I post so many videos in before projects. So end-to-end implementation projects, you see daily basis I take the session for online and offline. If you guys interested as a beginner or you learn with S4 Hana, so I take the session in Telugu, Tamil, English and Japanese. If you're interested, you can join the session. Right. Now, here second event is selected so that I got some information. But see, the mail is hidden. How? I'm not do anything. When I click my, see again I do, when I PDF enter, after close it, see mail is grayed out. Here I using the third event. What is that? Can you guess it? Again I tell you, I select my PDF, enter, one at selection screen event is triggered, then automatically grayed out is happened. See, initialization is work. Now I select the PDF or mail, whatever it is, enter. I'm not execute, enter. Now I get some pop-up, that message information. So automatically grayed out this our third input of mail. How can you remember this event? Yes, at selection screen output event. This event I declare the loop at screen scenario. Based on that condition, system is worked. This continuity video I post in next session in with the syntax with the debugging. Don't skip the video. Thank you so much to watching this video. I will share part 2 event video in S4 Hana session. Thank you guys. Thank you so much to watching this video. Like, if you like, please like the comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.